In this video, I'm going to show you 5 tools that can help you to automate content creation. Each tool serves a specific purpose and I'm not going to waste your time. Let's get straight into it. The content production consists of 5 steps. The idea or title, the SEO, which stands for search engine optimization. This includes keywords, tags, and your video description, which will help YouTube figure out what your video is about. The thumbnail, the script, and the editing process. Let's take this step by step. Let's brainstorm a bunch of video ideas and titles using AI. You could use ChatGPT for this or another AI tool that I 100% recommend getting since it's much better. I will show both. Let's pick a niche. For example, AI, since it's booming right now. I'm going to ask ChatGPT for a bunch of video ideas related to AI tools and the AI revolution. Exciting, engaging, and clickable video titles, plus many different title versions for each idea. As you can see, when I do this, ChatGPT provides me with a bunch. You can also keep going until you are satisfied. However, there's another tool that is much better. It's called WriteSonic, or otherwise known as ChatSonic. This AI writing tool can do way more for your social media brand. You are given free templates to generate a bunch of content, not just for YouTube. You can make Instagram captions, LinkedIn posts, Twitter tweets and threads, and much more. But for the sake of this video, let's stick to the main topic, which is YouTube. Well, WriteSonic can make you YouTube descriptions, intros, hooks, YouTube ideas, YouTube outlines, and even YouTube titles, each one with its own template. All you do is follow the simple instructions on the left-hand side of your screen. For example, if you're going to make a YouTube hook, then all you need to do is provide the title of the video, which you can use WriteSonic to do, and the tone of voice that you would like. Then just press generate and regenerate until you are satisfied. Another reason why this demolishes ChatGPT is because it can act just like it, but with the real-time data and images. You can even train ChatGPT on your own data. It's called BotSonic, but that's for another video. Secondly, you need to check how good the SEO is for your idea. The description, title, and keyword box is actually extremely important. The more YouTube knows about your video, the easier it will be to recommend your video to the right audience. I have a gaming channel that I started back in 2021. vidIQ is the reason why I managed to get my first 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours watch time. vidIQ can tell you how much people are searching for a specific topic and the competition. This is where you can find out if your video idea is indeed a good idea. Since I used AI as an example in the beginning of this video, let's use it again. Let's say that you want to make videos about ChatGPT, or more specifically, ChatGPT plugins. The search volume for this keyword is insane. On average, 445,000 people search for this, and the competition is low, with a score of 75. Anything above 70 means you should do it instantly. It also gives related keywords, and as you can see, there's a lot of people searching for this, with the competition being really low. On the right side, it shows you the top 10 trending videos using those similar keywords. As you can see, all these videos are getting crazy numbers. In this case, making a video on this topic wouldn't be a really bad idea. When uploading your video to YouTube, vidIQ will give you a score out of 50. You want to try to maximize that as much as possible. Include keywords in the descriptions and definitely fill up the keyword box. Now that we have our idea, title, and script, we must make a thumbnail because these two aspects are crucial to getting more views on YouTube. I tried searching for so many AI tools and testing each one, but when it comes to making thumbnails, even Midjourney isn't good enough yet. You could always use these tools to get ideas or inspiration, but if you want good results, then I recommend using Canva or Photoshop since you can learn a valuable skill, which is in full demand in today's market. The thumbnail has to be intriguing, and preferably you don't want that much text. To make your thumbnail design process easier, I recommend searching for the top competitors in your niche. About 4 to 5 different YouTubers. Take a good look at their thumbnails. Are they colorful and vibrant? How much text is used? Is the title and thumbnail saying the exact same thing, or is it complementing each other? For example, your video title is How ChatGPT Makes Me $1,000 per month Passively. In the thumbnail, you should never have text repeating your title. Instead, use keywords found in the title to get visuals. In this case, you can include the logo of ChatGPT, money flying around, or even a graph to represent the passive income in your title. Think of it this way. How can I visualize each word in my title? Instead of saying money, you can obviously show money in a very creative way. For example, the thumbnail of the video you're watching right now. Canva is also super beginner friendly and anyone can use it. Remember to keep the thumbnail simple, however. It should not include crazy amount of details because this will cluster your picture. Furthermore, you need to use colors that go nicely together, complementary colors. And how do you do that? I use Canva's color wheel. I also use thumbnailpreview.com to see how my thumbnail would look like in different formats and sizes on a monitor or iPhone. You can also see if your thumbnail stands out from the crowd. I will link all of this in the description. The third step is to record a voiceover. You have 3 options in this case. You can use yourself, AI, or pay someone else. If you want to make an automated YouTube channel, then I recommend 11 Labs. It's free to use and it's extremely cheap to upgrade. If you ever use TikTok, then you will recognize the voice since it's used in so many of those motivational short form posts. 11 Labs is an AI voice tool that can speak your script or text in so many different tones. They provide you with a massive free voice library that you can use. And some of these can fit really nicely depending on the niche of your channel. You can listen to a sample and if you like it, you can just add it to VoiceLab. Once you do that, you can head back and click use. Now whatever you paste here, this voice that you've added will be the one used in your voiceover. You download right over here at the bottom right corner. If you don't like the AI generated automated voice, then you can always use your own voice. Remember, AI is not perfect, and right now it's better that you use it as an assistant rather than using it to do everything for you. If you're going to use your own voice, remember that bad audio will kill a video. Viewers are most likely to notice bad audio over bad visuals. Invest in a good mic and make sure there's no background noise and that your voice is crisp and clear like mine. The fourth step is to edit, and this is the process that usually takes the most time. Editing plays a huge factor in keeping good audience retention. However, you don't have to do this one yourself. Vidio is a powerful online video editing platform that offers many features to enhance your video creation process. With Vidio, you can effortlessly trim, crop, and merge video clips, as well as adjust colors, add text overlays, and incorporate visual effects. And don't worry, it's user-friendly, making it easy even to those without video editing experience. Lastly, it's extremely important to fill your videos with visuals, since people's average retention in 2023 is on average 8.25 seconds. It decreased 25% from 2000 to 2015. If you haven't been paying attention, then rewatch this video. Look at my intro and the editing throughout. I almost never leave any dead space. So in conclusion, you got ChatGPT or WriteSonic, vidIQ, Canva or Photopea, which I didn't mention in the video, but it's just another Photoshop alternative, 11 Labs, or if you want, use your own voice, get a good mic, and that will make your videos way better than trusting an AI. Vidio, each tool can assist you in making content faster and easier. I don't believe that AI is crazy just yet. I really do think it should be used as an assistant to make things easier for you and save you lots of time. However, you should still be learning these valuable skills such as video editing and graphic designing. It can go a really long way. Please consider subscribing if this helped you, and if you want to automate short form content, then watch my last video here.